Hi guys, thanks for stopping by my channel today. Hope you're having a great day. I'm back today to share some Halloween projects that I've been working on. And I made these little treat boxes a while ago. I shared them on Instagram, but I haven't shared them here on YouTube. So I thought I would share them really quick. So I made them using this die here that I picked up online on AliExpress. And it makes a cute little gift box there. And then I also used this Beautiful Nights paper that I picked up at Tuesday Morning. And I just created the little boxes using the paper, pattern paper, and then just embellished them a little. So they're not closed shut or anything because I still need to add treats or goodies to them or something. So this one I just added a little banner there and a little bling to the spider and a little bow. So that one is done like that. This one here I added stickles to the edge of the flap and some little bat stickers I had. And these little cut aparts are from the paper collection too, and a cute little button bow there for this one. And then this one here, I just created the little box as well, and I tried adding the Nuvo enamel dots in orange, but I didn't really like the way they turned out on the dark paper. I think it really pops and looks like a nice orange color on white cardstock, but not so much like on the black. On the black it kind of looks yellow or just not like a bright orange. So anyway, that was this here by Nuvo. So yeah, I like it on the white cardstock, not so much on the black. So then I just added a little, like a half of a spider web there. I layered this little pumpkin cut apart here, and then a little tag that says Boo and some little star stickers there. And the Boo I stamped out using a little rolling, like a little roller stamp. This one here that I picked up at Tuesday Morning. So this is a cute stamp if you find it. And then this one here is my favorite. I love the color combo on this one with the gray and the pink. So I used this cute little pattern paper from the collection with a little ghost, and I added some little pink pom-pom trim to the flap, and then just some little cut aparts and die cuts from the collection, and then I added a little bling to the spider there. So I thought that one was cute. And then I wanted to share these little stars that I created, only because I love this gold foil paper from Michaels. It comes in the 8.5 by 11 pack, but I used this this punch here that I picked up at Tuesday Morning as well, and it's a really good paper. It's kind of a lightweight foil, so it works really good with all of the paper punches. So love this, and I'll see if I can share it without too much glare. So it's this one here, 8.5 by 11, 65-pound cardstock in the gold foil. So there's that. And let me see. Oh, and then I made some little like prize ribbon embellishments using the Spellcast. These are not finished. I really only finished one because the chipboard piece like fit perfectly in there. But I thought this was cute and quick using this punch here from Martha Stewart, which punches out the bottom layer, and then also like the perfect size of the circle. So this is a really nice punch to have. And then the little tails I punched out using this 2-inch little flag banner punch from Hobby Lobby. So I thought those two worked really well together. And then I wanted to share these little bat bows that I finally started playing with my bat bow die from AliExpress, and I made some cute little bat bows. I'm so happy I picked up this die. I think it's super cute. And then I just added some stickers from Michaels to the centers, but this paper is really cute too. It's got like little embossed pumpkins, and then I used one of the white pumpkins from Recollections from Michaels on these. So I did 2 of those in white, and this one's really cute too with the little like jack-o'-lantern embellishment in the center. And then I made a couple of bat bows with this really cute like embossed spider paper. I thought it was really pretty. And then I added a felt spider to the center, like it was a felt spider sticker that I just had in my stash. And then I added a little piece of bling to the spider too. So there's these. I think they turned out really, really cute. And I love this die. Really cute die. And then these are the stickers that I used for the centers of the bows. So that's my little share, guys. I hope you're having fun creating for Halloween, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, guys. Bye.